from last week.
Hello! Nice to see you again! We met in 2019.
18.
Happy. You wanna go somewhere there? Working, that's good. Do well, always take care, and ko nga, di ba nakita ko na si Harry Styles in person? Sabi ko, mas pogi siya kay Harry Styles. As I was talking to my brothers, so sabi ng brothers ko, oo nga, siya din yung pinaka-poging taong nakikita. Seryoso talaga. Oh my God, that's the very first thing na naisip ko. And his name is David as well. Yeah. Very engaged na siya eh.
Hi.
Asian din. From Thailand. Sabi ko, konti na lang eh. Ayun, ang pogi niya, tingnan niya.
Ay, taray.
Huwag niyo.
Huli ka.
Everything's run routine. All of 19. Stay.
Hello! Nice to see you again! We met in 2019.
18.
Yeah, that was my last year.
Ala, sige. Sila. Hala, may pa-chat yan. Long message. Ay, wow. Hala.
Hello!
Thank you, bro.
Hi, guys. Enjoy. Wow. We just met Rei and Mickey.
Version 2. Joke.
Grabe. Super. Kanina umaga pa kami naghahanap sa kanila. And finally,
Timing yun.
yeah, hindi 11 naman. Tapos 8 p.m. na, grabe. Oh, super worth it yung kakalakad namin today.
Long
And
steps tayo today.
siguro mga 15k steps today. So yan, okay. Oh, I'm so happy.
Kita niya si Wei.
Yeah.
Kita ko si Misha.
And Miggy followed him on Instagram, guys. Oh! Boys, you know.
Bro, si Manila.
Guys, my man winning in life. Miggy is following him. Oh, sheesh.
I'm so damn close to learning how I need your ghost.
Look at these beautiful bouquet of tulips. So, I received these a few days ago, but I forgot to put them in a vase. So, today I need to put them so they can last longer because they're like a bit wiggly now. And the leaves are kinda yellow. Alexa, play Flowers by Miley Cyrus. Psych, I didn't buy these. Someone gave this to me. Thank you.
The second that you stop getting in your own way and you're kind to yourself and you're graceful with yourself, it's crazy to see how you blossom and what you can find out about yourself.
And the flowers are literally drooping. Hello friends, so today I'm going out with my whole squad, uni squad. So we're going to have lunch in an Asian restaurant. So now I'm with the squad. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, it's just a small gift.
Wow.
Yeah. This one looks nice, but I like this one. And this one.
I like it.
Bro's spending some cash today.
Yeah.
Guess what it is?
this is why you were asking me about the details about my lipstick.
Yeah.
So it's Fenty Beauty. It's the hot cherry.
Rihanna.
Hot
Rihanna.
cherry.
Rihanna.
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 No, without an H.
Hot cherry number 1.
Yeah.
Rihanna.
It's your favorite.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We love you. Meanwhile, where's Ahmad? He's paying. Bro, we're so late for lunch. Come on, hurry up.
Yeah, now we're gonna steal them from you. Ooh, nice. It's all for the video.
Zooming in your faces. Hehehe, smile.
I have my. What are you smiling?
Steak. Whoa. Food. Yum. Look at him. Judging him.
I like you know,
The vloggers.
Bro, don't tell me that all these sashimi are mine.
yeah, probably.
I'm gonna have a stomach problem after this.
It goes down.
Bro. Yeah. Wow.
I've been banned from La Ramonina before
Why? What
for
did you
eating
do?
too much.
Take one bow.
Trying to finish
Yum.
the rice so that
But I don't think I can finish everything.
Jesus is Lord.
Jesus is
Thank
Lord.
God. Okay, now
Give me
like.
2 tiramisu.
No.
You want more?
Bro, you already got 2.
But you said it tastes like soy sauce.
Tasted. That was good.
But mine
Okay,
is
so
it.
this is mine. Green tea tiramisu.
Mine is gonna think like you're not eating that
Well,
much.
I swear I need the.
But you give like small bites and
Why?
think that you ate too much. I don't know if I'm making sense or it's just that I ate a lot. But I'm just.
You're high on sweet.
I'm drunk. Yeah.
You're high on tiramisu right now.
So, Kira told me that I have to vlog, but I don't know how to vlog. So, what I'm gonna do is make Kira vlog.
Bro, like, wait, look at your face here.
Oh.
Bro, it's so zoom.
Yay!
Yeah.
Where's Yaki,
Nala,
the short
where's
one?
Nala? Where's Nala?
It's a thumbnail. It's going to be the thumbnail.
Okay,
Okay.
that one. 1, 2, 3.
Now that I can see myself, bro, I wanted to change the camera, so I did this. Okay, so this is me and Puyan. Are you my girlfriend?
Huh?
Are you my girlfriend now?
I can be your boyfriend.
Okay. No. Okay, so
We just had raw meats here.
yeah.
I mean, the steak.
Yeah, this yeah.
This is my answer.
It was good.
Like this. This is my
It was
side.
juicy.
Can we talk about this? I wanted to say the shrimps, but you know, it's still.
Oh, the shrimps were really big.
Yeah, I
Like-
thought they were huge, to be honest. I don't know.
Bro, like
I've never seen such.
you couldn't
like,
fit
how
them in
much?
the table.
Like,
No, it was like
bro.
yeah, you couldn't
bro,
fit them on the
that's-
table. Like it was too heavy.
It was fucking. I couldn't finish them. Like we had
because I
1.5, and I couldn't finish it.
No, it wasn't possible.
No, man,
It
it's
just no.
too much.
Giving you content
We're giving
about
you
juicy
amazing
stuff.
content. Yeah.
Wait, I need my sunglasses too.
Wow.
Oh yeah, let's go. Come on, put on your sunglasses. Come on, we gotta look cool.
Okay, now we talking.
Kira, am I gonna find a girlfriend from on your? Habibi, come to Lebanon.
No, come to Iraq. Not now, but like after 20 years.
No,
come to
not
Iran.
Lebanon either. I mean, no, Lebanon's beautiful. You can come to Lebanon, but
Or you can like come to us, our house,
yeah,
Lebanon, Persian.
I have
We can
big
treat
house,
you like
so.
you're in my country.
Okay, so this is me taking over Kira's vlog. So my name is Nella and this is Sarah.
This is Sarah.
Sarah, say hi. Say something cool about you.
Cool about myself.
Yeah, say something cool about
So,
you.
I'm Sarah.
Yes.
I have no hobbies. No, actually, I also take videos and
Oh, she's a vlogger too.
there's no light. Wait. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I also take videos and
No,
mostly
the
on
angles
TikTok.
are- yeah.
Yeah, I also take videos and usually on TikTok. It's too much bright. But yeah, follow me and follow her on Instagram.
At It's Nala, so
And
I'm
it's,
about to do something very crazy and I
yeah.
hope she likes it. I'm about to sing for her.
Yeah.
So if the vocals come out badly, you're gonna be
Please excuse us.
excuse us because we're so full.
Yeah.
But can they see me though? They can see me. Okay. I know it hurts. I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try to apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know. Yeah.
I hope he holds your hand, gives you all his hours
I can buy
while he has the chance.
Have you ever went to Sephora and bought something and then you opened it and there is like sushi stuff in it?
I have.
Have you ever done it?
Ta-da! All you can eat leftovers for free.
Well, let's just go. They're gonna kick us out here. This guy stole my camera. Hi. It's cute. This is the behind the scenes. Okay.
So I decided to do another video, but Kira doesn't know. But now she'll probably know. Look at the camera. Keep looking at, no, keep looking at it.
Be angry.
Some gang signs.
Wait. Gang sign. W.
Signs.
Like, I did all of them.
Do this. Do this.
When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same.
For the unboxing. Wow, wait. Yeah.
Give this madam.
Your necklace. Ooh.
But hey, let's not get down about being
Oh my gosh, bombastic side eye.
so brown. Never ever
Ariana.
where the old
Ooh. Bye.
going.
Ciao. Mare day. Be back in Austria.
Maybe you smoke too much and you drink too much.
Yung ano yung makita caption nila yung dagat. Dagat in TikTok.
To home base. Well, that's fine by me. And that's fine